Hey guys, it's Laurel and Pierre with Blue Walks on the Run, and we are going to show you this travel trailer, Forest River Aurora 34 BHTS. We're excited to show you, so let's go check it out.
Forest River 34 BHTS, she says. That's a travel trailer, so pull behind. We got the electric jack here to go up and down. Those two tanks that are ready, 20 pounds tank cover. Your battery will be set up here. Surprise, surprise. In here we have, Laurel, what's in there?
We have access to the washer and dryer, which we will see from the inside.
So on the outside here, we've got this main awning that goes from one end to the other. And they actually put a set of lighting, those lighting that people like now that changes color, or you can program the way you want.
Nice ambiance.
So yeah, those, there you go, multi-color LED lights. By the way, this siding is like the old time when we used to have this kind of rubble, I don't know how to call it, but that's
rippled.
Aluminum. Rippled. So
Rippled
that's,
aluminum.
We're back to this. I guess it's catching on again, so that's kind of cool. They got all the JBL system in here. And it already has, this is a cool feature because it has a 100-watt solar panel already set up in there, so that is kind of cool, and it's included in there. So water heater is on this side, furnace is on this side, and that's always my less favorite part, that it's on the side where you're living, but the way it's laid out in here, you can see the hot of the fan is here, so most likely the refrigerator is right up here. You've got two axles of 5,100 pounds each. You've got 15-inch tires, so nice system, nice setup for the length and the size of this rig. Here's the cute, leash link. So this is the kitchen. This is cool.
This is beautiful.
And typically I wouldn't try it because I'm always gonna mess those up. But you can see the pattern. That's like a black stone
griddle.
So that is kind of cool. So that is fun. Refrigerator, a lot of cupboards,
storage,
drawers. So they must have. Oh, it's one of those with the lip. So
yeah, so they don't come flying out when you're driving down the road.
So here's your spigot for your gas that's going to hook up. Most likely, that's right underneath here. So cupboards all the way. So that is nice. Yeah, for people who need to live outside, that is kind of cool. So you got those manual leveling system, you know, a more common unit with window with glass with frames, manual jack to stabilize your unit. So you got 3 slides on this side, people. That's for a travel trailer. That's a lot of. I'm looking forward to seeing.
Because the BH stands for something that's over here. We'll see inside.
Oh, that's what it is. It is the TS, I want to know. So here's the outside shower and the connection for your water, your sewer.
Are you saying there's no shower inside? All right, guys,
no,
I guess you're showering outside.
Shower. That's what it is. And when you rinse, you come on this side because this is where the fresh connection is to rinse yourself. So you wash over there and then you come here.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Someone was thinking.
They think of everything. That is cool. So that's the half of the storage that we have. Since now we know that Laurel is going to show us where the washer and dryer is on this side. So honey, can you show us what it looks like?
I'd be glad to. If you're enjoying this video so far, we invite you to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you'll be notified when our next video comes out. So come on in, let's show you this travel trailer. This is a really cute setup. I absolutely love it. And talk about a fun weekend getaway. So you have a beautiful kitchen. I love the countertops. You've got 2 sinks, double sink. You have your 3-burner stove with the oven below. This is a gray stone. And you also have your High Point microwave. Again, you've got your cupboards up above and the light wood, which right now where we are between a couple of campers, it's a little bit dark in here.
And a cloud just came in.
And a cloud,
exactly
which is welcoming because it's really hot today. And the refrigerator is really nice. What I love is it's deep. You can actually put quite a bit. Look at the freezer. I'm surprised at the size of it, actually. And then over here, this is flipped down. This is actually a scissor couch, and when it flips up, you've got a nice little place to sit, watch TV. And over here, this can flip down also and make this into bedding for kids. The amount of kids that can be in this RV is phenomenal, because we're going to go into the back in just a second. First of all, Pierre, go ahead and show them the bathroom. Check that out. Pretty decent sized bathroom, wouldn't you say?
Yeah. No, I'm surprised for a travel trailer. It's pretty good, yeah.
But then coming in here into the bunk house. Talk about fun. What kid wouldn't love this? So first of all, they've got a bunk up here, and then tons of storage underneath the bunk. But on this side, you've got sleeping up top, you've got sleeping below, or they can have their TV integrated right here into the wall, and this is just their little nook to sit, watch TV, be away from their parents, and have time to themselves. So this is a really...
Sitting there. Or else
Can you imagine, as kids, how much fun this would have been? Oh wow, this would have been a ball. Even underneath these seats is storage areas also. You can access by lifting or by the doors there. And then you have your TV system and some storage here as well. So really they thought of the storage for sure in this travel trailer.
Heating fireplace to take care of the chilly night.
Yeah.
Without starting the propane, that is cool.
And then they have a queen bed. And again, you've got the storage underneath the bed, but it looks to me like there's plenty of space. If someone wanted to put a king in here, absolutely you could. It would slide in there, no problem at all. Really deep closet. See how deep that is?
Yep.
But this one was the one.
This is the door to the outside.
There it is. There's the here, I'll go on this side. There's the washing machine.
Imagine being a kid and playing hide and seek. I'm gone, you'll never find me.
And then they can sneak out that little hole.
Exactly.
And they still can't find you.
So where's the TV in here?
So the TV would go here. And they do have the outlets and everything. So it's prepped for the TV. And there's plenty of storage under here. So really, this is a beautiful little travel trailer.
By the way,
2 ACs. So that's
cool.
Fantastic. Yeah. In the comments below, are you a travel trailer family? If so, do you like bunkhouses? Because for a bunkhouse, what do you think about this particular model? Now, remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination, it's all about the journey.